Here is an app called Oops Random Chat. For a few weeks, it started to go higher in charts in social media. So I was just like curious why. So let's explore what this app is about. Okay, so you can see what this is about. Like it's one of these like random Snapchat dating apps for Gen Z, for teenagers. It's like it says, "Oops is a super fun way, to make new friends. With Oops, you can make new friends in the honest Q&A game, share a life moment, grow a Snapchat community, fill your Snap map, and more. You can share your pic on the square, start chatting. Basically, you just add your Snapchat username, which is good, which is private. When someone asks you for it, you can accept or ignore. So there you have it. And then there's like a Oops premium subscription, $18.99 for 1 month, $29.99 for 3 months, or $78 for 6 months. So yeah. Anyways, here's the app. Here's how it looks like. You can see all the options. You can try to chat. You can chat. Here's like an option. Or you can try to add Snap. And then probably your Snapchat will just open. So that's about, okay, something like that. So then you will be just redirected to the Snapchat address. Then you can meet local singles, like depend on your Snapchat map. But like the downside of this app is that it has very few users, especially if you're outside of US or some big cities in US, I get. So that can be an issue. So yeah, and also here's your account for for chatting with someone. You will use your diamonds, I guess. And to get diamonds, you need to pay. You can always go premium, unlimited instant chat, get unlimited diamonds. So you can do it. And then you can read all the privacy policy. You can block someone, obviously. In case you are concerned about your data, it's good that you can delete your account right away. So I actually like when in this kind of apps you can just delete your account without need to reach out on the phone to the to the contact support or something like that. But yeah, here's the app. As you can see, not that many users. That's basically an overview of the app. So this is how it looks like. Hope it is helpful. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a try. Probably like every 2 weeks or something, there is a new app in this category in the App Store. Like everyone trying to figure out this niche with Snapchat dating apps. But a lot of these apps are actually low quality, so if you don't expect that much from them, a lot of them that just go into some kind of spam profiles and all of that. But maybe once in a while, yeah, you really can find a good app and which can really help you to hang out with someone and have fun. So hope this video will help you out.